Hello there, dear viewers or dear watchers or dear internet video consumers. This is Mislav, and today we are going to talk about files and directories, or directories and files, depending if you want to order the title alphabetically. Okay, so what are directories? Let's first write it down. So directories are directories. I always feel really bad if I don't write anything down, if it's just a white screen, because then what's the use of this graphic tablet that I bought for this purpose? So directories. Okay. So what are directories? Directories are used to store files within them. And directories are also used to give structure to your files. And files are resources for storing information. Okay, so files are actual resources for storing information, and directories are used to store files within them. So basically, if you have a directory, and let's draw a directory like this, a directory can actually contain multiple files. And let's represent files as these, like little boxes inside the directory, although that's maybe not the most accurate representation. So this entire thing is a directory, or instead of writing it down, let me just point to here. And this one particular box within the directory is a file. Okay. And I just wanted to make this video because it may not be clear to everybody what's a directory, what's a file. So again, just to repeat, directories are used to store files within them and to give structure to your files. And files are resources for storing information. What's also important to understand is that directories also have a hierarchy. So what does it mean for a directory to have a hierarchy? It means that we can have a situation where we have a directory within a directory. So for example, if this box is a directory, then this box is actually another box which can contain directories, and it can contain files. And when you are suggesting a hierarchical, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, if you're suggesting a hierarchical relationship between directories, then you write it as such. So you write it as dir1 / dir2. And in this case, this directory right here would be dir2 because it is a child of directory 1. And we're going to talk about parent and child directories, but intuitively, the directory which is hierarchically above the directory we are concerned with, which is directory 2, is the parent directory. But essentially, the point of this video is that directories can have hierarchies. Okay, and this entire thing which we just written here, which is dir1 / dir2, this is in computing referred to as a path. Okay, so a lot of information in this tutorial. I kind of spoiled a little bit of a future tutorial, but I will introduce and reintroduce the concepts as they pop along. So no worries. I know that this is probably a lot of information, but I just really wanted to clear up the connotation of directories and files. Okay, so thank you for watching these tutorials, and talk soon.